سکھر سے ضیاء الرحمان کی رپورٹ۔ سکھر IBA یونیورسٹی میں کشمیری بھائیوں کے ساتھ اظہار یکجہتی کے لیے تقریب کا انعقاد۔ کشمیر کے ساتھ اظہار یکجہتی کے لیے طلباء اور اساتذہ نے ریلی بھی نکالی۔ طلباء، اساتذہ، عملہ اور میڈیا کے اجتماع سے خطاب کرتے ہوئے کشمیر کی ممتاز وکیل محترمہ مشال ملک کی پرجوش تقریر۔ اس موقع پر وائس چانسلر پروفیسر ڈاکٹر آصف احمد شیخ اور پرو وائس چانسلر پروفیسر ڈاکٹر سید میر محمد شاہ نے کشمیری بھائیوں سے یکجہتی کا اظہار کیا۔ تقریب کے اختتام پر شرکاء کی کیمپس میں ریلی۔ طلباء و طالبات نے کشمیر سے اظہار یکجہتی کے لیے بینر اٹھائے ہوئے تھے۔
Even as visitors or family members, how we have been harassed. My own daughter has been harassed. As a nation, reiterate our stance, our support, and our unflinching support for the Kashmiri people. They are the defense line of us from the blood of Kashmiri people because of our resistance. India makes stamps. It violates the Indian soul of Pakistan. That's how I put it. And it should be part of the DNA of every Pakistani to become. And when it comes to Pakistan, then there is nothing else that matters. So I think it's very important, and yes, through this platform, I would also like to share with all of you that we have, in my short tenure, for the first time in Pakistan, we've established a Kashmir Consultative Committee in PM Secretariat with the best experts. I have made it under my chair, and
their rights of self-determination are being killed by restricted this area. Their rights are violated. The tension between the Act of India, basic rights, but this has created a tension against peace within these two countries. Not only within these two countries, but this is a violation, and this is
they are having this issue, and the number of Kashmiris, which is 12 million, they are facing these 1 million Indian occupational forces, which means for every 12 people, including women, children, elderly, there is one soldier standing aiming at them. That's the actual situation in terms of numbers and data.
Thousands of heads have been shot dead. Why? Just because they stand up for justice? Just because they stand up and raise their voice for the promise which was made to them in 1948? Dear audience, listen to the shots of the guns, the fears of explosions, thousand screams of the children and thousand sighs of the mothers. Why? Just because the demand for annexation to Pakistan
was denied, and it was boycotted by the Indian government. So it fought lies within the Indian government. They did not believe that this issue should be taken on the regional forum. So SAARC is a dead horse. A joint collaboration between the Chinese and the Russian governments, and Pakistan was made as a member in 2017. Now,
Azadi! Pakistan! Zulm ke saabte! Zulm ke saabte! Pakistan! जानिए इधर भी घुमा
اللهم